Okay, just so that people actually believe me, this is what it looks like coming off of our house right now. It's about, I don't know, 10 minutes after I got off the phone with you. With Matt. This is the water coming in. I got all the cardboard up, so it shouldn't be too bad. But you can see that right outside, there's our door and there's the water. So you can see how it's coming in. The dog yard is also flooded. Let's see if I can get... You can see that it is also full of water. So digging out that way is not going to work. And Alex says the water's coming down horizontal in the front.
I'm running as fast as I can. I get soaked.
Alright, so let's go check out front.
I was going to take the bucket and get around, but back there's flooded too.
Yeah, it's flooded all the way around the house, isn't it? Alright, let's take a look at this side. Okay, this is this side of the house.
Look, it's coming in.
Oh gosh. Yeah, it's flooded all the way around the house. Oh, thank God, thank the Lord that we do not live in a floodplain in this town, because people are probably up to a foot in water. How many inches have we gotten in the last hour? It's been like, I don't know. It's unprecedented. Okay.
4 inches this year.
Here we are out the front.
Alright, now look. See my shorts that I throw because you're dry and stuff?
No, don't try and prove to me like that. Look at this.
I have a piece of paper.
Oh man.
Well, there's that. That's a piece of paper.
You stay there. You stay there, Rowan.
Yeah.
Oh. Try not to get the camera all wet. You see the water is already like, I don't even know how deep that is on the road. It's flooded on our street. Keep doing that, honey. Keep doing that. That at least has it going in the right direction.
And it's cold too.
And it's cold. It's nice cold water. Let's see.
Look at that. It's coming down like this.
Let's take a look at this here. It's 74, 75 degrees and 71% humidity. I mean, that never happens here. We might as well be having a hurricane. Without the wind, of course. Oh my God. My ankles are getting wet. As you can see, it's really decreased the visibility.
Wow, it got even worse. Go back inside.
That's the thing to do. Alright.
That was actually kind of smart when I did this.
Alright, we'll try and get some more later, but baby is unhappy. Say hi, baby. baby.
It was cold enough where when I went back there,
Hi.
I went to the back.
Oh,
I didn't want to
yeah.
stay back
You're
there. I
cute.
wanted to come back inside.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'll pick you up.